Hey, what's going on, guys? Back with another video. And right now I'm just at a car wash because I just washed the car in my last video, but it's already dirty again. You guys can't really see on camera, but if I go close up you can see it. It's pretty dirty, so I'm just gonna bring it to the car wash for the video just so you guys can see it. But in this video I'll be telling you guys what it's like to daily drive a Stage 2 Plus F30. So I have a 335i, so that's the N55 engine, and yeah, I'll just be telling you guys like what it's like, how it's been for me. Like, is it still good on gas? Is it reliable? Is it like still a smooth ride? You know, because I have the XHP Stage 3 tune as well. So you know, I'll just be telling you guys what it's like how it's been for me owning this car, especially after it's tuned. I'm going to school right now, and I actually brought the wrong bag, so I have to go all the way back home to get my right bag because I need my laptop and everything that's in there. But I'm just gonna bring this through the car wash, show you guys what's up. Yeah, I've been here for like 15 minutes and this thing is not moving. But I never bring my car through these car washes. I think I've only brought this car through it once, and that's because it's way too cold here, and that's why I'm bringing it today, because I would wash my car myself. It's just too cold outside, and I just washed it a couple days ago. Like, I put that in the video. In my last video you guys saw me washing it, but that day was pretty nice. But today is freezing, so I can't wash it myself. So I'm just bringing it through here. I wouldn't even wash it. It's just for the video because I feel like you guys want to see a clean car, you know, so I'm just doing it for content mainly. But inside is pretty clean. Like I said, I just cleaned it myself, so inside is still clean. It's just outside that's dirty. That's what it's like though to live in Canada with the snow and the rain and everything, because the roads are always wet. It might get back dirty tonight again, but you know, I'm still doing it just for the content, like I said. But my suspension right now is super squeaky. That's why I haven't even made another POV, because it sounds so bad. It's so embarrassing. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it happened before, and it has happened to like 2 other people with BMWs that I know. And the last time it happened to me, it just completely stopped by itself. So I'm hoping it's just gonna stop now again. But oh, finally it's opening. But yeah, I don't know, it's super squeaky. Like when I'm driving, it's so loud, it's so embarrassing. But I don't know, I think it's just the weather with like how cold it is and everything like that. Not sure though, but I'll you guys will hear it though in the video. You guys are for sure gonna hear it. Yeah, look at this guy behind me. His car is spotless. I don't know what he's doing in a car wash. I don't even care if he sees that I'm recording. But look at that. His car is perfectly clean. That's spotless. You want to see it in person. It looks even cleaner in person. I don't know why he's going to the car wash. But I think it's touchless though. I didn't know that. So I'm actually going to come to this one more, because I don't usually go through them because they usually scratch your car. But I think this one is touchless. That's pretty sick. Let's see how good of a job this did. I don't even think I got the back. Like, the back looks wet still. I'm not sure though. Hey, that's pretty clean though. You just never get the perfect dry, because yeah, but it's pretty clean. It's smoking so much from the front. I'm guessing it's just because I just brought it through the car wash and the car's pretty hot. But hey, that's super clean though. That's clean, I'm not gonna lie. It's just the drying, like you can still see a little bit of water, but you know, you can't complain. It's still pretty clean. Even got my tires. Hey, but so, how do you guys like it though, the spacers? Because I got spacers installed, did my calipers yellow. Not the best rims. Like, I have new rims, I just haven't put them on yet. There's a little bit of soap there. That's okay though. Much cleaner than what it was before. But hey, the spacers make the car, it looks so much better. I can't wait to put my springs on. Oh no, look at the back. The back is still soaking wet. On camera you don't even see it, but look, the back is soaking wet. I wonder if I have like I think I have a piece of cloth I can actually wipe it off. And I actually got something though. I think it's to dry your car. I don't know, it feels like it. It even says BMW on there. Yeah, I'm just gonna dry the back off myself. They got it all clean now. Look how good the car looks. So much better when it's clean. Now, this car, I'm in love with it. From all angles, it just looks so good. But I'm telling you guys, once I get my new rims and I install my springs, this car is gonna be something special. I'll be sharing it with you guys all the way. But you can see the yellow calipers a little bit. But even the back, I got this thing from a meet like a year ago, a car meet. But so much better. I don't know if it's meant to like dry your car, but hey, it did a good job. Damn, that car looks nice. Look at the muffler tips, all clean now too. But yeah, so I gotta head back home for my bag that I left, and then back to school again. So, you know, I'll just talk to you guys on the way there, telling you guys what it's like to own a car like this, like I said 1,000 times. So I'll actually get to the point of the video now. All right, so what it's like owning a Stage 2 Plus N55 or any F30, I would say. Gas mileage, that's the main thing I think people are going to question about. But gas mileage, it is the same before the tune, but you're going to be using more gas just because you're going to be driving more in sport, and like you're going to be using the paddle shifters because you're going to want to hear the pops, you know. So it is going to be slightly worse, but if you drive the car the same as you did before the tune, like you don't always have it in sport, the gas mileage is the exact same as I've seen. As far as I know, it's the same because I drive the car, I only really drive it in sport when I'm making videos, or sometimes I actually drive it in sport a little bit more now, like off camera, than I did before. But like when I'm casually driving, sometimes I'm just, you know, cruising. The gas mileage is the same as it was before the tune, so I don't think the tune actually did anything to gas mileage. So that's pretty good, you know. That's so like if you want to save your gas, all you have to do is not put it in sport. But it's way more tempting to drive in sport now just because of the pops. But like I said, I'm pretty sure 90% of people are gonna want to drive in sport just because of the pops now, and like the sound, the speed, and everything. So it's gonna be slightly worse. It's not way worse, to be honest. I still fill up only once a week, and I drive quite a lot. You know, I drive to school and work. I drive everywhere with my car. Like I bring my car everywhere. I bring it to soccer. I do everything. I daily this car. I bring groceries in it. Like when me and my girlfriend, whenever you need groceries, like she would drive her car because she has a Civic, but I like to drive my car just because I like the car. You know, I don't know. I just like to see it. I like to drive it. I like the pops. So I still drive mine even when we're getting groceries and stuff like that. So yeah, like I daily the car. The gas isn't bad. It's really not. It's just going to be slightly worse if you drive in sport all the time. But casually driving, it's the exact same as stock. And the XHP tune, like a lot of people are asking me like, how does it feel? Like even a friend of mine, he texted me asking like, how is it in like comfort, like the XHP tune? Like is it more smooth, or like is it not good for dailying? And I told him it's perfect. Like it's so much better than stock, because I think people think that the tune is going to make your car feel like a race car, like more aggressive. Yes, the XHP makes your shifts as fast as a race car shifts, but it doesn't feel like rough or anything. You know, the shifts are seamless, instant. Like as soon as you touch the pedals, your car is shifting, you know. So that's what the XHP tune does. It doesn't make the car feel like rough or anything. It doesn't like throw you back when you shift or nothing. You know, it literally just, the point of the XHP tune to make your shifts faster and to make it more smooth and seamless. So when you shift, like when I shift, I can put it in sport right now for you guys. Like, let me throw it in sport plus as well. You'll hear some pops. See, like downshift, look, like as soon as I upshift, see, it's like instant. And like now I'm gonna downshift. Damn, that just sounds good. But yeah, that's the point of the tune. You know, let me take it back out of sport because I'm just casually driving and talking. So, you know, I don't need to be in sport. But that's the point of the tune, is just to make the car shift faster and more smooth. Like it's super smooth when I shift. It doesn't like fling me back or nothing. So I think some people think that's what it does. That's not what it does. So like if you want to get the tune, the MHD or BM3, whichever one you want to go with, the Stage 2 does not affect your day-to-day driving, and the XHP transmission tune, it does not affect the feel of the car. It feels really good. It's smoother than stock, you know, with the tune, with the XHP. And for the Stage 2 Plus, like MHD or BM3, like I said, it's not going to make your car feel any more like a race car. It's going to feel like a race car with the speed. But if you're casually driving, the car feels the exact same. It's still super smooth. You know, it's not going to be like, it's not bad in any way at all. You know, it's just better. So only difference with the Stage 2 Plus, the car feels faster. That's all I can say. If you guys want to get the tune and it's your daily driver, go for it. You guys are not going to regret it. Since I tuned the car, it's so much more fun. Like everyone used to say it, but I didn't think it's like this fun until I did it myself. The car is way more fun to drive. Like it just, there's always a smile on my face driving this car, you know, especially after the tune. It's just so much more fun to drive. It's very comfortable still. I still daily the car, nothing has changed. So yeah, if you guys want to get the tune, go ahead and get it. But you know, this video is more like a different kind of video than what I usually make. You guys usually see POVs from me. A lot of POVs coming still, but I'm just making this one because I usually have the same questions before I got the tune, and now I got it so I can actually answer those questions for you guys. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys have any extra questions or anything, feel free to ask in the comments. Like, I answer all my comments, and I answer them pretty fast, like within 5 minutes, you know, so feel free to ask me. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Right now I'm at 970 subs. I checked like 30 minutes ago, and that's crazy to me. Like, that's insane. So my goal was to get to 1,000 by the end of February, but I feel like I'm gonna get to 1,000 probably by tomorrow, if I'm being honest. With the rate that the subs is going and everything, I might get there like tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for that. It means a lot, you know, like the nice comments you guys leave. Like, everyone's like, bro, I'm so glad to see you so happy driving the car. I'm like, bro, that means the world to me. You know, I'm super happy I can share my experience with you guys, you know, tell you guys like anything you want to know, you know, make videos on the things you guys want to see. I'm super happy you can do that, you know, and people are enjoying the videos. You know, it's a win-win for everyone. You know, I'm super grateful I could really like have an audience in the car community and make videos for you guys. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video again, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.